Car insurance in the USA. For example, USA citizen and resident. Choose the US car insurance that fits your specific needs and budget. Get real-time quotes from surveyor rated to companies. Compare quotes quickly and easily. Select the best policy for your needs and budget. Compare quotes from multiple insurers. Whether you are a foreign national, a permanent resident, a US citizen returning home, or an expat moving to America and looking for car insurance in the USA, you can pick from several coverage options. Save time and get a car insurance quote in the United States that fits your need by comparing rates from multiple insurance carriers across the United States. Available vehicle coverage for the US. Car insurance. Having a car in the US can let you go anywhere before you start driving now. That most states in America require valid auto insurance. If you don't have it, you could end up paying hefty fine or face jail time. Choose a car insurance bundle with the coverage type and want you need. That way you can minimize your risk and keep your cost low. Keep your costs low regardless if you are an expat resident or US citizen. Nothing says freedom like hitting the open road with your motorcycle, just like driving a car. You will likely need motorcycle insurance as most states require you to carry it. Motorcycle insurance can cover you and your motorcycle for things like accident damage and theft. No rider is the same, so choose a motorcycle insurance bundle with the coverage type and add one that fits your needs. ATV insurance. Love the thrill of driving on an ATV. Getting specialized ATV insurance coverage is recommended as accident and theft risk can be much higher with these vehicles. RV insurance. RV insurance can protect you from unforeseen risk. Whether you are looking to insure your RV or modify your current coverage, our insurance advisor can help you pick the coverage that best fits your needs.